What's up, you beautiful people? I hope you all are doing good. So, आज we have planned to make this video. This is completely different from football. But ये topic इंटरनेट पे इतना ट्रेंड हो रहा है कि we couldn't keep quiet and we somewhere felt कि we should go and talk about it. Because कहीं ना कहीं अब टाइम ऐसा आ गया जहाँ पे अब लड़के भी सेफ नहीं है.
Absolutely. I mean, this is something very weird, very crazy that has happened जो कोई सोचता नहीं है, but उसको इतने फटाक से लोगों ने मीम बना दिया है
Yes.
कि just now you shouldn't be drinking with your male friends and all of these things. We just wanted to know कि what is the exact issue of this.
So, and the sad part is कि none of us knows the exact story that's going on. Because अगर तुम देखो तो resources जो available है उसके थ्रू पता चलता है कि सौरभ was already into making of such kind of videos. Then कुछ resources से ऐसा पता चलता है कि या वो जो था वो एक forceful act था. Then कुछ resources बोल रहे हैं कि उसकी death हो चुकी है. तो अब विश्वास करे तो किस पे करे?
Absolutely, absolutely. Even I tried to research as much as possible, पर कुछ खास मिला नहीं. Now, what we know is ideally that this is a guy who lives somewhere close to Gorakhpur, and ideally that should be either a scripted video or probably that act actually happened the way it happened.
Yeah.
Either way, I guess it's more or less sure that Saurabh Singh was already gay to start with. Now, if he was a gay tuber, just to say from start, we don't know. Might be a chance. Because again, the way shooting and everything has happened, I think थोड़ा तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी ने हाँ खुद से किया है. It has been pre-planned or something like that. Now, either way, I mean, yeah, we are no one to explore their sexuality and all of those things, but I feel अगर उसका disclaimer मिल जाता तो better होता, because now the whole sting that is going on into the community is very weird. And online लोगों ने तो उसको पागलबंदी कर दी है, उसके इतने सारे crazy memes आ चुके हैं.
Yes, and if by any chance online trolling की वजह से अगर उसकी death हुई हो, then guys, this is something really serious that we need to look at, that we need to think of, because आज ये है कल कोई और हो सकता है. I know what he did was completely wrong. I have seen a lot of comments where people were commenting कि अच्छा हुआ कि उसने suicide कर लिया because he had no place on this earth. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा rude है, but I mean काफी strange है यार. अब पार्टी करने से पहले लड़के काफी सोचते हैं. मीम्स तो इतने चल रहे हैं कि क्या ही बता.
Absolutely, absolutely. And just assuming कि अगर ये planned था and if he was someone who was into those sort of things, I think even he should have taken it in a more responsible way where he should have just cleared the things out.
Yes.
Or maybe just add a freaking description to the video
Yes.
so that people can understand that what is going on. Either way, we don't know what has happened, but in terms of the male community, I'll just say firstly to drink responsibly. Make sure something like this doesn't literally happen with someone.
Yeah.
And second is probably thoda rules and regulations डाल दो, because these things, there's a good possibility of such things happening.
Yeah, you might be in that scenario. I just hope हम में से कोई ना हो ऐसे सब जगहों पे, but
Absolutely.
you know, if this thing is an actual thing that took place और resources की माने तो अगर ये ऐसा है then ये काफी scary चीज है. So पहले
Correct.
लड़कियों के safety को लेके हम concerned रहते थे, but at this very moment after this मतलब लड़कों की भी safety पे ध्यान देना चाहिए.
Absolutely, absolutely. And again, guys, if you guys have any extra information on this, or if you guys have some details over it, of course, please mention in the comment section.
Please.
Ideally, also put a source so that we know कि it's sorted. And like we can just spread proper legit knowledge.
Yeah, and we are super curious to go to the roots of this particular story, because हुआ क्या, चल क्या रहा है. तुम अगर देखोगे आर्टिकल्स वगैरह भी कई कुछ और बोल रहे हैं. We don't have a proper source जिस पे हम believe कर सके. So if you have any sort of information जिससे help हो जाए, जिससे educate भी नहीं यार, जिससे inform हो सके सामने वाले, तो काफी helpful रहेगा.
Absolutely. So guys, again, thank you so much for making this a part of your day. Stay safe and just enjoy.